Hello there. It's a flu season, and sometimes we just need something to help us kick the flu while we still enjoy ourselves. So, today on Queenie's Backyard, I'm going to show you guys my pineapple ginger drink. Of course, we have the star of the show, our pineapple. Thank you, thank you. Then we have the ginger here. I'm not going to use everything though. Then we have the lemon and honey, of course. So we peel the lemon, sorry, not lemon, ginger. We peel the ginger skin, then slice it up. Ginger contains gingerol, which is the main ingredient that gives ginger its medicinal property. The anti-inflammatory effect that helps ginger fight or battle cold is due to this gingerol. Now, pineapple is packed with vitamin C, which we know is good for cold and flu. It also helps enhance weight loss. Pineapple aids in digestion, and this is due to something called bromelain in pineapple that helps in digestion. The manganese in pineapple helps promote healthy bones. It also contains a bit of calcium. Then pineapple has antioxidant, loads and loads of antioxidants. The anti-inflammatory property of pineapple is due to the bromelain too. You can't have so much antioxidants and not boost immunity. Yeah, pineapple boosts immunity. And because of all this, it is good during flu season. So when you're having flu, yeah, eat up some pineapple. It's needed. I am done slice. Will I say slice? No. I'm done peeling off the outer layer. So this second layer I'm peeling off now is what I would use for the syrup. A simple syrup. Then after that, I'm going to chop my pineapples up. Like this pineapple I got, it is so juicy. You can see the whole table is covered with pineapple juice, but it was still very tasty. Like I was actually pinching some while cutting it. The core of the pineapple, I'm also going to use it for the simple syrup too, because well, basically not everybody eats the core because it's very hard. Over to the simple syrup. So we dump this here. Yeah, let me get the remaining ones. There we go. Then dump the who am I even saying dump? Well, I add the core of the pineapple, add a little bit of water, about 2 cups, and our honey. Of course, you know honey is essential during flu season because it helps. Then we put it on fire and get ready to, should I call it pulverize? Actually blend the pineapple, the ginger and all that. Remember the lemon. Yeah, I'm adding just the lemon juice to this. We cover this and Blend, 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 blend. You can be doing something else while blending. Me, I was dancing. Well, you know, but I was dancing. I transferred the blended pineapple to a bowl and check up on our syrup. Yeah, it has boiled. So we'd remove all those stuff. You can blend it, but I just ate most of it. So we allow it to cool and add the cooled syrup into our blended pineapple and ginger and the rest. And mixing. It's okay like this. Like for me, this is a perfect pineapple ginger drink or juice. But some people might not like the fiber, so you might need to pass that through a sieve. I actually sieved it twice so that I sieved it twice to see the difference, and there wasn't so much difference, but yeah, the second sieved juice was quite smoother. In fact, it was looking like I was drinking it out of a, how will I put it? Yeah, out of an already made juice or a big packaged juice. Yeah, packaged juice. So here are final results. The first is the raw, second first sieve, then the third the second sieve. So that's all we have for today. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.